what are the do's and don'ts. क्या बोल रहा है ये? Respect their opinion as well. That is just a myth. Please be presentable. For खुद का packaging and branding करके अपने what is going in the all over the world, like a agree and disagree kind of opinion. If he's speaking shit, it should match from here and here. It's not. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shruti Shukla. I am currently studying as a third year student in IHM Bangalore. If you are new, please do watch part 1 and part 2. It's gonna be really informative for you to crack any interview. Then come to the part 3. So part 3 is gonna be really a root of the whole tree. You know, this has the whole base for that tree. So this is really important for you to crack. So let me take you to the part 3 of this whole journey. This video will explain you all about GD, a detailed information about GD. Basically, what is GD, who will be the panel of people, okay, who will judge you, how they'll judge you, what skills do you need to have, do's and don'ts, all of it will be explained in this video. So please do have a note of all this, whatever I'm going to explain, just to aware all of you guys that in whichever GDs I have sat, I cracked all of them. Whether it's Taj, Oberoi, whatever it is, I want to tell you that it's not that I'm just telling the information. It's just I have tried it and tested it. So this is a tried and tested and a genuine information. It's not like कि मैं बैठी नहीं हूँ एक भी GD में, I'm just giving her information. It's not like that. What is GD? So GD is the first elimination round which has been taken by the hotels, retail, company, whatever it is. GD will be a discussion. It is a group activity which will happen between 8 to 15 number of people. You all be sitting there. The duration of this it differs from hotel to hotel and criteria to criteria, but mostly it will be 10 to 25 minutes. 10 to 25 minutes will be the whole duration for you to do this activity. What panel member will actually do? They will sit back, 2 to 3 people will be there observing you, all of you, not one, everybody, they will observe you and they won't even utter a word in this whole conversation. They will just tell you a topic. They will tell you that this is the minute you all have to discuss. Now, and the myth which has been seen in GDs is basically people think if I know huge vocabularies, complex words or any kind of, you know, accent, it will really help me in GD, but it's just a myth. You should be at least fluent, that's it. That's more than enough. The more important is how you behave and how you think. The topic is given on the spot. It's not like you'll get time to prepare. You'll get time 2 to 3 minutes to prepare, that's it. They'll give you 2 minutes to think and process the information, that's it. You'll not given time to write it down or Google it or chat GPT, nothing. You have to think on the spot. So the main thing is you have to think very, very fast. You have to think ऐसे चुटकियों में, in a second you have to think all of the things and you have to behave. The behavior is also important. Coming to the next point is why GD conducted. Even I was wondering why it is there. So GD is really very important for all of the hotels, for all of the, you know, companies, or help them, the companies, to get those people who are good in communication skills, who are good in teamwork, who can coordinate with anybody, you know, with any binder. You won't have similar people. You can have any kind of people. And the person who can handle pressure, who can think immediately. They want that kind of people. That's why GDs are taken place. Okay, you guys must be wondering what is the, you know, type of GD questions or type of GD topics. There is a 3 main or basic type of GD topics which has been seen. The first is your, you know, general topic. General topic basically your, you know, what is going in the all over the world, what is going in USA, what is the economic system. So all of this kind of general current affair related things. The second is your hospitality related. What are the trends going on in hospitality industry? Role of attitude. Now the third is abstract topic. Does happiness come from money or change is constant? So kind of thing which is opinion based, which is your opinion based, which is your perspective based. It's not like wrong and right thing. It's like opinion based. Okay, so for somebody money brings happiness, for somebody it does not. So it's like a agree and disagree kind of opinion based GD topic. Now let me take you how GD is evaluated. So most of the people were out in our GD. What was the criteria? So things which I have understood from all of the GDs which I have went through is first is your communication skills, you know, because most of them were either not speaking or we're speaking a lot. Clarity of thoughts, it should match from here and here. It's not you are thinking here and you can't speak that, so it should match what you are thinking or what you are saying. You should be really very confident whatever you speak. Now the second is content and knowledge. How much content and knowledge you have. Obviously you should be having a good knowledge. If you are saying anything about current related or current affairs related, you should have a good knowledge about the market. You should have a good knowledge about that country, then only you can speak, right? So that's what I want to say is content and knowledge should be relevant. Third is your team behavior. Team skills you should have, which is first listening, encouraging others to speak. 4 is your leadership quality. If you have a good knowledge, you can initiate it or you can conclude it. That is a very good leadership quality in GD, which has been seen. Or most of the time, two parties are discussing and they are like, fighting. So you should take that initiative, that let's settle it. So that also becomes a plus point for you to get selected. So 5 is your body language and your body posture. Also your attitude, how you have it. Okay, so most of the people sit as, that's not a good way of sitting in GD. GD you should sit straight, and you should have an eye contact with every single person. The main mistake which they do is eye contact with panel. So suppose I'm sitting here and I'm just talking to the panel. That's not a group discussion. Please take this very seriously. Group discussion is not basically just talking to the panel. It's like talking with your own people. The 8 people or the 15 people which you have to discuss with them. You just have to look at them. You should just think the panel is not there. That is what it is. And you should have good expressions. Positive expressions. It's not, क्या बोल रहा है ये? Even if you think कि वो क्या बोल रहा है ये, just be like, be calm. Yeah, okay, whatever he's speaking, if he's speaking shit, let it be. Just you think, nice, very nice. You should have that. You should be very diplomatic in GDs. You can't judge anybody. If you are not there to judge anybody, basically. It's their work. It's the panel people work to judge. If most of the people think, if I speak loud, I'll be selected. That is just a myth. It's just a myth, guys. If you speak loud, you won't be selected. So now, and what are the do's and don'ts in GD? So do's is basically, please be well groomed. Well groomed means please be presentable. Next do's is use hospitality examples. That another is you respect others' opinion as well. If you are really calm all over the discussion, show your professionalism. So now the don'ts, which you don't have to really do, is do not dominate anybody in GD. It's like, do not interrupt anybody. If anybody is speaking, let them speak and then you speak. Now, do not go off the topic. Talk relevant thing. Don't go off the topic. Do not remain completely silent. You should speak. If you don't know, take somebody's information, rephrase it, try to say it in your own way, but don't just sit silently. You never knew you might get selected. Tip from me, which I have used many other, and this was a tip from my senior, so I'm gonna share it with you all. It was कि जब भी तुम्हें लगे कि this topic is not your type, or you don't understand anything, or you don't understand a single word of that topic, okay? So what you do, sit silently, listen to others, whatever they are saying. So कुछ ना कुछ तो समझ में आ जाएगा. You will understand what they are saying, okay? Try to rephrase it and give it in your own way. It just उनका कंटेंट लेके तुम खुद का पैकेजिंग एंड ब्रांडिंग करके अपने हिसाब से बेच देना है. That's what you have to do. Let's wrap this information up. GD is basically attitude, teamwork, and communication skills. That's it. It's not about being perfect. It's about being, good leader. We'll meet you in the next part, PI round, which is really important. So please do stick to the another part as well. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.